Something cool today. A Mirka from Finland. A Mirka from Finland. Abranet. It's an abrasive net. 120 grit. As you can see through it. It's like a mesh. Really sharp mesh. So I'm going to give that a go on the XC. See what it's like. Got my random orbital sander with soft pad between them. See what it does. The idea of these is to let the materials seep through straight away. As you see, it doesn't clog up at all. The port there seems to blowing it out behind me pretty bad. You can see the dust on the bonnet still where it's taken the material off. Good quality thing. Just for the sake of seeing what it does, I might hook the Karcher up to it. Hook the Karcher, suck up the dust, and I might do the whole bonnet. But yeah, the guy at panel shop let me have one of these for nothing, just to have a try. It's 120 grit. Seems good. It's good for stripping stuff off. Righto. Something random. Do a bit of work to the XC this afternoon in the shed. It's a bit hot in here. I'll get the fan going, I reckon. Righto. Thanks for watching.